You asked, how to divide 2445 by 5 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 24. 24 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 24 minus 20 equals 4. Bring down 4, making 44. 44 divided by 5 equals 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 44 minus 40 equals 4. Bring down 5, making 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 minus 45 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 489.